Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best sawhorse. Here are the top 3 sawhorses that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Metabo HPT Sawhorses. These sawhorses are made from durable steel with a powder-coated finish and have rubber feet to prevent slipping. They fold up quickly and compactly for easy transportation, and have a leading capacity of 1,200 pounds per pair. These sawhorses can be used as sawhorses or work stands and possess a built-in shelf and cord hooks. It has an ergonomic design that is convenient for backs, and its dimensions measure 31 by 5 by 27 inches. This sawhorse has a patented safety lock system that prevents it from collapsing while you're working. At number 2. ToughBuilt Sawhorse with 2x4 support arms. It's a heavy-duty sawhorse that can support up to 1,100 pounds of weight on a 4x8 foot surface. This sawhorse base has 4 legs that are adjustable in height to accommodate different heights of material. Its support arms allows holding lumber or pipe at any angle from vertical to horizontal, for ease of maneuverability. This product is constructed from powder-coated and zinc-plated steel and restricts corrosion and impact of harsh environments. Its tough steel frame will hold up well in any environment, including outdoors or indoors. At number 1. Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorse. It is a lightweight, portable sawhorse that can be easily folded and unfolded for safe storage and long-term use. Its legs are made of steel tubing for extra durability, and the crossbars are made of aluminum which are lightweight yet strong. This product has been rated 4 stars by customers who have purchased it on Amazon. It has 2 folding legs and an adjustable height for perfect positioning on any flat surface including concrete or marble flooring. The top of the bench is padded to protect tools from scratches and dings, and its features include locking braces, non-slip feet and fold-out stoppers. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.